أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله Sahih al-Bukhari Hadith number 1014 Anas bin Malik said, a man came to Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, O Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the livestock are dying and the roads are cut off. Please pray to Allah to withhold rain. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam raised both his hands and said, Allahumma hawalaina wa la alayna. اللهم على الأكام والذراب وبطون الأودية ومنابت الشجر. O Allah, please reign about us and not on us. O Allah, on the plateaus, on the mountains, on the hills, in the valleys, and on the places where trees grow, and the rain stopped, and when we came out walking in the sun. May Allah bless those people who are affected by flood all over the world and especially in Bangladesh. And may Allah bless them with patience and ease. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.